So you want to share a huge file over the internet, but you have run out of options because all the other platforms that you have tried out are limiting you to sizes below 30 megabytes. Well, keep on watching because in this video, I'm going to share with you how to send huge files of up to 2 gig over the internet to anybody anywhere in the world. Hi, I'm Obed and you're welcome to our channel. If this happens to be your first time here, consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorials like this, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified anytime we release a new video. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you, as I mentioned earlier, how to send huge files over the internet. The platform that I'm introducing to you is called Wetransfer. So Wetransfer. Just Google Wetransfer, then hit the first thing that comes up, wetransfer.com. Better still, if you know it off head, as I've just told you, go into your browser, then enter wetransfer.com. Alright, so when you come to the site, it is a very simple site. The interface is very simple to use. The first time you visit it, you are likely to be given a pop-up that will ask you to agree to their terms and conditions, and obviously you just have to click agree to agree to them. Then there are two ways to share files on this platform, so I'm going to walk you through how to share the files on using those two ways. So from here you can see add your files or select a folder. So you can share either files or you can share a whole folder to anybody anywhere in the world. The first method that you are going to use or that you can use is to send via email. So if you want to send any file via email, then you should know the email of the person that you're sending it to. So for instance, I am sending it to my other account, Obed Eronia at gmail.com. So that is one of my emails. Then the second one is the email that you are sending from. So the first one you are sending to, so whoever you want to send the file to, it could be a video, it could be any type of file actually. So whoever you are sending that huge file to, the person's email will be here, then your own email too. Then if you have any message that you are going to add to it, you write your message down here. So please go through this file after downloading. So let me just after downloading. All right, so let's assume this is the message that I want to add to the person. So this will be sent into the person's email, and all I have to do is to click and add the file or folder that I want to share with this person. So click the plus, then choose. You can select multiple items and share at the same time. So I'm just going to choose any file at all, not necessarily a very huge one, but the fact is you can share up to about 2 gig. So if all the files that you select do not exceed 2 gig, then you can use this method to share them. So I can select with the help of the control key, select multiple items at a go, then send all of these items to the person. So as you can see, all these items are going to be sent to the persons whose email I have here. 7 files added, and I have 2 gig remaining because obviously these are very small size files that I've chosen, but you can send up to 2 gig as I've said. So you can click and add more files. But let's continue. So all you need to do now is to hit transfer. Then you receive a verification code in your email. This is to prevent people from spamming others. So you are going to get a code, and that is what I have here, 405117. So you just need to enter that code, 405117. All right, then you click verify. Now that it's verified, it's going to transfer all the items, and after everything is done, when it gets to 100%, it's going to generate a link and send that link to the person's email as well as the message that we send the person. So when that is all done, you are also going to get a confirmation email that you have successfully sent the message or the files to the person, and the person will also get an email in showing them the files and the links to the files, so that they can just click the links to download all the files that you sent to them. Okay, so it is done. You are done. The download email has been sent. Your transfer is available for 7 days. Note this: if you have not created an account with them, in fact, creating an account with them is free. But if you are not created an account with them, you get your link or your file will be available for 7 days. After 7 days, it will no longer be available. So once you send it to the person, you have to encourage the person to be able to download it within 7 days period. Then you had the notification showing you the details of all the things that we have sent. So let's go into the email and check what is going on. I sent it from eweniaobed@hotmail.com. That's where I sent it, eweniaobed@hotmail.com. So let's see what I have here. It says file sent to obed@gmail.com. So this has been sent. That's the message that you get. But what is nice about this is you also get the download link. So if the person says that I didn't get it in my email, or you didn't get my email right, then all you can do is to copy this email over here and share it with the person in any means possible. So the other one, let's check obed@gmail. So this is the recipient, and the recipient gets this email Wetransfer. So eweniaobed@hotmail.com sent you some files. Hence, please go through this file after downloading. That was the message that I added. So any message that you added will be the content of the email. The person can click this button to get the files, or they can even click this download link to get them. And this is a list of all the files that you sent them. This is just awesome. All right, so let me quickly walk you through how you can send using the other method. So with the other method, all you have to do is come here, the three dots on this side, come here and choose rather get transfer link. So you see there are two options: send, email, transfer. That will require you to add the person's email. But if you choose get transfer link, then you don't need to add the person's email, but you can as well add a message. So when I click that and I go and select, this time around let me just select one image. Okay, and since that is all I want to send, if you have more to send, you click the add and add more. You still have 2 gig, up to 2 gig to send. You can add any message. So example message here, then click get a link. So after loading, you'll be given a link that you can share with anyone so that they can download it. All right, so this is a link. You hit copy link, and you can paste this link anywhere for someone to easily download the files that you have sent them. So that is the link to the file. And when you share it with a person, wherever the person is in the world, they will be able to download the file. So when it finally loads, as in the receiver's end, when they click on the link, this is what they are going to get, and then they can click this download button to download the file that you sent them. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.